Playground by Sam and Braulio. Why? So you may ask why we chose the materials we chose. We chose canopies so the students can play without the sun on their face and so they don't get as sweaty as they could. This is because they have class afterwards. Since there was no budget onto how much and how many we could buy, we tried to provide the top quality playground for our students. The design. This design is made for different areas. There is the gym area, so if you want to stay there underneath the shadow but outside, you can be there and exercise. Then there's the sitting down area, which there's no running allowed, but you can sit down and talk with your friends. There's a play area, which is only for playing and you're not allowed to sit down. And then there's a break area, which is for you to simply play around, maybe eat something, and just chill around. We used pure rubber because we think that is the healthiest and least risky floor for the playground.
We believe that the entire project would take 70 days. The time it would take to process our order would be 64 days. I know that's a long time, but it will be worth it. Once our materials are ready to ship, the shipping process will take 1.5 days. Once the materials arrive and are transported to the Bish campus, we would pour the rubber floor. The amount of time it would take to pour the rubber floor would be 2 days, including the drying process. Once the rubber is fully dried, we will build the playground, and that would take 2.5 days. The overall cost to make the playground would be $240,134 with 80 cents. But if you were to take out a loan with a 1.2 interest rate compounded every month to cover the costs, you would have to pay $247,530 with 89 cents. Now that's the overall costs. Let's break it down. The surfacing cost would be $34,792 with 80 cents. The equipment would cost $17,412. The total transport cost would be $187,000 with $55. And the labor cost would be $875. Feel free to add a tip. We decided to ship our materials from Cleveland since it was the cheapest option. The other countries were just a bit too expensive. We also chose to ship our materials from Cleveland since it had the shortest time gap between the countries, so it would take less time to ship to Houston. Thank you for listening to our presentation.